Pull in Joe Cucchiera, mortgage expert. Joe, a lot of things are happening in real estate right now. Amongst them, it's a lot more affordable to buy real estate and get a loan is starting to loosen up. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, amongst all the bad things that are going on and the negative things about the market, there's a lot of good things happening. We don't want to lose the opportunities for people out there. First-time home buyers, rates are at historic lows. Purchase market has picked up 35 to 40% in the last couple of months, so we're seeing a lot of activity. People are starting to take advantage of it.
Now, it looks like that $8,000 new home buyer's credit is going to expire. There's talks that it may come back in 2010, though.
We sure hope it does. It looks like it will. There's no promise. I think they're evaluating. It's been extremely successful this past year getting first-time home buyers in, and we hope that it continue. Probably more word will be on that in the next 30 to 45 days.
Now, a seller's market is typically not good for the buyer, in large part because they have to put a super higher price tag on it in order to get the home that they truly want. But we're in a buyer's market where you can take your time, you can shop, you can put in a low-ball offer. Tell me a little bit more about a buyer's market.
We've had a paradigm shift here in especially the last 5 to 6 months, where most areas in the Bay Area, I know there's some pocket areas that have changed less than others, but most areas it's a very good buyer's market right now, which means you have a little extra time. You don't have to rush to the doorstep and put an offer. You're not up against 50 to 60 offers like there was several years ago. So you could really take your time, see what you want, look at some bargains, look at some deals that might be out there, and give yourself some time to negotiate as well.
You're actually hiring loan officers at this point in time,
right.
Joe. What do you look for when hiring a loan officer?
It's extremely important. We have a rich history of customer care. We've been in business 21 years. We're celebrating that this year, matter of fact. So we look for people that have a high level of care and partnerships as well. We partner with real estate companies, financial planners, builders. So we look for someone that's qualified, been in this business long enough, and also ethical, and they're going to take care of their customers.
Now, you'll actually help people with closing costs on their mortgage. What's that imply, and what can we get out of that?
What that is just in nature to get some business and the interest. We're celebrating our 21st birthday again this year. We're doing a couple different things. One of the things we want to do is people that have not worked with us before or have worked with us based on calling us, we're going to give them $500 towards your credit in a closing, whether it's a refinance or a purchase. This is our way of saying thank you and celebrating our 21st year.
You've been in business 21 years in mortgages. You've probably seen a lot come and go and a lot of change.
A lot. It's been up and down. One of the reasons we're still here, and I think the select mortgage companies and lenders are still here, is they took care of the customers and they took care of the people. We stuck to our lending, our A-paper lending, what we call, from day one. We never wavered from that, and that's one of the reasons we're still here today. So there's been big changes, there's been different players and been companies that come and go, but I think the strong will last and survive for sure.
The company's 21 years old. That means it's legally allowed to drink now. So you got to open up the bar on the birthday. Let's pull up the contact information. Of course, I'm being a little silly because it's raining, and rain brings out the silliness in us all. Joe Cucchiera, you can call him at 408-342-3755. That's 408-342-3755. Every time he comes to Cron, people grab his ear and chat him up because he knows everything there is to know about mortgages. 408-342-3755.